Hello, I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Large, please. Large, please.
Great. What kind of coffee would you like?
A regular coffee, please. A regular coffee, please.
Would you like sugar and milk with that?
Yes, with sugar and milk, please. Yes, with sugar and milk, please.
Would you like your coffee in a mug or a takeaway cup?
A takeaway cup, please. A takeaway cup, please.
Would you like whipped cream on top?
Yes, add some cream, please. Yes, add some cream, please.
That will be $4.50. How will you pay?
I'll pay in cash. I'll pay in cash. Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is on the menu.
Great, I'll check the menu. Great, I'll check the menu. Can I get some napkins, please?
Of course, I'll bring them right over.
Thank you. I'd like to order a snack. What do you recommend?
Our croissants are very popular.
Okay, I'll have a croissant, please. Okay, I'll have a croissant, please. Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
It's at the back, near the exit.
I really like this cafe. It's so cozy.
Thank you. We're glad you like it.
Yes, it's a great place. Yes, it's a great place. This cafe is amazing. The atmosphere is so warm and the decorations are beautiful. The music is relaxing too.
Thank you. We're so happy you like it.
Everything here feels so welcoming. Everything here feels so welcoming.
Wow, Mark. The beach looks amazing today. The sky is so blue and the sea is sparkling.
I know. I love the sound of the waves. It's so relaxing. Do you want to go for a swim?
The sea is sparkling. Before swimming, let's build a sandcastle. The sand is perfect for it.
Great idea. We can make a big one with towers and a moat.
Build a sandcastle. Our sandcastle looks amazing. Now let's play volleyball.
Sure, there's a net over there.
Play volleyball. After the game, let's walk along the shore and collect seashells.
Yes, I see some shiny ones near the water.
Collect seashells. The sunset is going to be beautiful. We should stay and watch it.
Absolutely. Nothing beats sitting on the beach, watching the sun dip into the sea.
Watch the sunset. I brought some sandwiches and fruit. Let's have a picnic.
Perfect. We can sit under that big umbrella, enjoying our lunch while looking at the endless blue sea and listening to the gentle sound of the waves.
Have a picnic. Look at those kids flying a kite. It looks so colorful against the bright blue sky.
We should try it too. I have a kite in the car. The wind is just right for it.
Fly a kite. I need to capture this moment. The sea, the sky, and the golden sand. Everything is picture perfect.
I'll take a selfie with the sea in the background. Take photos.
I think I'll lie down on the towel and relax. The sound of the waves is gentle and calming.
Good idea. I'll read my book while enjoying the cool breeze and the endless view of the blue horizon.
Relax on the beach. The sky is now painted with twilight colors. It's time to go, but I'll never forget this beautiful day.
Me too. I feel so refreshed and happy. The memories of the golden sand, the sparkling water, and the breathtaking sunset will stay with me. The memories will stay with me.
Hi, Mark. How's everything going?
Hey, Sarah, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was just thinking about living in the city. It has so many advantages.
Yeah, definitely. Public transportation is so convenient. I love not needing a car.
True, and there are always events and things to do. The city is so lively.
Convenient transportation. But sometimes the city feels too crowded. There's no space to relax.
I get that. I miss the quiet of the countryside sometimes.
And the cost of living is so high here. Rent and food are expensive.
Yes, but at least we have many job opportunities. That's a big plus. Big plus.
The traffic can be a nightmare too. I hate getting stuck in traffic jams.
Me too. But I like having access to public services like hospitals and schools.
Yes, that's a good point. And we meet so many different people, it's great for social life.
Exactly. Living in the city definitely has its pros and cons.
Traffic jam?
One thing I love about the city is the variety of shops. You can find anything you need.
Absolutely. But sometimes I feel overwhelmed by the crowds in the malls. Overwhelmed by crowds. The city skyline is beautiful, especially at night.
Yes, all the lights make it look magical. It's a view you never get tired of.
True. I guess every place has its charm, and the city is no exception.
Exactly. We just need to appreciate the good while managing the challenges. Appreciate the good. Well, I guess it's all about finding the right balance.
Yeah. No place is perfect, but we can make the best of it.
Make the best of it.